How to change the undo time sent period in Gmail. Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change the time limit of the undo button that's visible on your screen on your Gmail application. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to the channel. Now let's begin. First thing you need to do is once you open up your Chrome browser, you are going to open up a new tab and search for mail.google.com. So once you search for it, hit enter. So from here, you want to make sure that your desktop site is enabled. Tap on the three dots at the top right and then turn on the desktop site. If you are on PC, it will be easier for you as you do not have to continue with this step. And once your desktop site is turned on, what you need to do now is tap on the settings icon right here on top of your screen. Tap on this, and once you open up your quick settings, you are going to have to go to see all settings. And once your settings is loaded, you will have to find the settings right here. Undo send. Here on the send cancellation period is 5 seconds, so you can increase it up to 30 seconds. So if I set this to 30 seconds, what will happen is if I go to my inbox and I'm going to confirm the changes, first you will have to go down here to save the changes. And once you do that, I'm going to go back to my inbox and try to compose an email. So here, if I send an email to someone and then send anything here, so this is a sample email. If I tap on send, as you can see here, it says the undo button is still visible and it will not go away up to 30 seconds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just tap on undo and the sending has been undoed. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this helpful. I will see you guys on the next one.